Hi everyone, it's me Deepa, and today I am going to make doubles. So yesterday was Indian Arrival Day and today is the holiday. So yesterday Indian Arrival Day fell on Sunday and today we got the holiday, so today's Monday and I've decided to make doubles. Yesterday I believe was also International Doubles Day, so it's just the perfect breakfast menu for today. This entire recipe would be found in another video that I do have uploaded on YouTube, so check it out. You can just type in Deepa Yankran doubles, or I'll link it down below as well. And it is super rainy today. It is very rainy and my hair is soaking wet and it's a little bit cold, so I think I should go and dry my hair. I have started my doubles though. Let me show you where I reached. So I already have my chana boiling away here. Let me show you. So it's been pre-boiled and there's also dal in here as well. I already made my dough for my bara, so I'm going to dry my hair really quick and I'll be back and we're going to fry some bara. In fact, I'm going to show you guys a very quick way to dry your hair. So let me take you guys with me and I'm going to show you how to dry your hair very fast, and then we're going to come back and fry some bara and eat some doubles. Okay, so I haven't done a hairstyling tutorial in such a long time, oh my gosh. Anyway, so this is called a paddle brush. I sell them. If you're interested, you can shop on in my online store. I will link down below. Well, you can message me down below and I will send you that link if you're interested in any of the tools that I'm using. So do you all know that you can actually purchase a lot of things in my online store? Yes, you can. So just message me and I will send you that link. Okay, so this is the Babyliss. Okay, so it is really pretty much used. I use it a lot, right? But it works like brand new, and I also sell these tools as well. So this is the Babyliss Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium blow dryer. Sorry, and it is really powerful and it works like it's the best thing ever. So to blow dry your hair really fast, what I'm going to do is just take this brush. Well, the first thing you want to do is sort of air dry your hair quickly first. You don't want to blow dry your hair on very like soaking wet hair. It will take forever, right? So get it to a point where it's just nice and damp and it'll be very easy to just dry fast. So this is the first thing that I'll do, really. So just quickly sort of dry it and leave the ends a little bit wet. Okay, so very easy. Just slide your brush onto your scalp like this. Grab that hair. So as I tilt my brush this way, you can see a bunch of that hair just, you know, got stuck onto the brush, right? So that's basically what you're going to do. Then you're going to put your blow dryer on and direct that heat onto your hair and just keep doing this. So I'm going to show you just the front part really quick, and it is really fast and, you know, effective. And as you all can see, my hair is really curly, so this works really good for any type of hair. See that? Super straight. So I'm going to continue by just grabbing the back and doing the same thing. So I'm going to just continue like this throughout my entire head, and this takes, honestly, it takes not even 10 minutes, maybe 8 minutes most. So I'm going to continue doing this and then we're going to fry some bara. Okay, so I have my bara dough here. So it's really nice. Oh my god, it really is so good. So now I'm going to make some little dough balls and then we're going to start flattening it out to fry. So let's get straight into that. Make sure that you have oil on your hands, right? So This is basically what I did. I just keep pinching my dough like this. Okay, and what we want to do is just, okay, mommy gonna help me fry bara. So that's it. So make sure your surface is greased, and then you want to just take one of your little dough balls, your bara, and spread it out like this. Open with your fingers and then drop it into the oil really quick. And you don't have to fry this very long. So let's maybe 2 or 3 times. Whoosh. Okay, so the chana is almost finished, and if I take it out, actually I like really nice melty chana, and this is still a little bit whole, but mommy like it whole, so I'll leave some for her. Okay, so once this is finished, once I take off the stove, it will thicken up a lot, even though it's looking a little bit liquidy here, it will thicken up. So now I'm going to add some jeera to finish it off, some turmeric, and salt. Give it a mix, and of course give it a taste to make sure that it has enough salt. Okay guys, so doubles just finished, so I'm going to do this the right way. I'm going to wrap it like that. And this is coconut chutney. Mommy made all the sauces to go with this. I think this is plum city chutney and cucumber, and this is tamarind. Oh. And this is mommy, what is this again? Roast pepper choka. Roast pepper choka. This is roast pepper. I can't really eat too much pepper, so this is what I will put on this. Bam! Doubles, guys. Again, this recipe is on my YouTube channel. I would link it down below, or you could just search Deepa Yankaran doubles. Yes! Yummy, yum, yum. Gonna. Okay guys, so doubles just finished. So now for the taste test. Look at my layout. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, it's so good. Alright. So let's Right, so let me taste this doubles, right? Yum yum. Again, this is on my YouTube channel, okay? So I will link it down below for you guys. So I had to do this the right way, right? The only thing I didn't do was close it up and wrap it, so yeah. The best ever, I swear. You all have to try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video if you like it. And of course, as I said before, I will link the recipe down below for you guys. Bye! Actually, I'm not saying bye yet because it is still very early. And I think I'm going to make Pholourie later. As I said before, today is the holiday for Indian Arrival Day. Yesterday was Indian Arrival Day. So we're going to make some nice East Indian dishes. I did doubles. And now later I'm going to plan properly and make Pholourie. Okay, two things I came out here to pick. Some 5 fingers because I'm gonna make chutney with it, because I am going to make Pholourie. So I just thought this should be a nice twist on chutney. So here goes. These looking good. Oh, I'm looking through my lens. Oh, okay. Just pick a few of these. Oh, this looks so good. And maybe I should get a really nice ripe one. Oh, this is one here too. Two of these. Okay. So off to the other thing I want to pick. Next thing I'm gonna pick is some bay. Oh my god! Look at what you guys did. Look at what you did. Look at what you did. Okay, the monsters came and I tried to sneak away so they wouldn't see me. Okay, so I'm gonna pick bay leaves because I am going to make tea with bay leaves. You could also do your steam inhalation with bay leaves as well. Oh my god, have you all ever smelled bay leaves? It's amazing. It smells so good. So let's put it in my little container here. Hello, could you all just leave my little strainer, please? There's one more thing I want to pick. I'm gonna see if I can find some bandania or shadow benny. I don't know what you all see. I say bandania. Oh, by the way, do you all know what this is? This is called Wonder of the World. Comment down below and let me know if you all know what this is. And in my next video, I'll tell you what it is if you did not know. Okay guys, so this is in here with, I'm gonna fill it with some water, and I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar. Put it around a little bit, and let's go see if we get some bandania. Okay, while I'm here, I'm gonna pick some neem so that I can do my steam later. Yeah, this should be good. Okay, I also got some tulsi, so these will go for my, actually I can have my tulsi in my tea as well. Okay, no bandania, but I'll just put my tulsi and my neem right in there, and I'll just wash it out after, in a little while. Okay, I'm gonna put my tulsi in here just as is. There we go. And I'm gonna drop in a few of my bay leaves. I know some people crush them, that's fine too, but I put them in just like that and it works really well. Oh, and guys, when you add a piece of cinnamon to this, oh my gosh, cinnamon and bay leaf, that combo, it is to die for. It really tastes nice, and cinnamon adds a lot of sweetness to this tea, so you don't even have to add sweetener, but if you do, that's fine too. But it's so good. Let me show you what I did on this side. I cut off my 5 fingers, and I also have some salt, some green seasoning. This would be garlic and shadow benny and pepper mummy grind, so I have it there and I just decided to use that. And then I have some black pepper, so I'm going to throw everything into this blender and get it really nice and smooth. You will need a little bit of water for this, right? So I'm going to put just a tiny little bit, and I'll just keep pulsing it until, and add more water of course if you need. Okay, so that is perfect. I'm going to add my black pepper, salt. I'll add half of this and add more if you need, and I'm going to add all of this delicious green seasoning and give it a blend again. Added just a little tiny bit of salt again to taste it, and you will know what you need to add. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of sugar because it's a little bit, remember it's green, the ones that I picked were green, so I think it's a little bit too tiny, and I'm just sweetening it up a little bit. Add this now. You could actually add this when it's already when you're ready to fry your pholourie. So I'm just adding mine now, but you don't have to now. You can add it last. And I forgot to show you. Of course, you want to cover this. Yeah, just cover it down, nice and tight. And I am going to put mine in my oven. Of course, your oven shouldn't be lit, right? So I'm going to just put it into my oven because it's nice and cool, nice and warm. And it's not cool. It's a nice warm place for this. So you can just put it in a nice safe corner in your kitchen, or do like me, put it into your oven. All right. And before I forget, all these scraps and all my vegetable scraps, it goes into my composter bin. So I will show you that one of these days. If not today. Okay, I have to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. I'm having leftover food, dal and rice and curry fish that I made yesterday, and I'm also having some condiments from my doubles. I'm having coconut chutney and cucumber, and I'm also having a glass of coconut water. Good stuff, guys, good stuff. Hi guys, okay, so I'm ready to start frying my pholourie. Let me show you it. I just took it out of the oven. This is what it looks like. So yeah, it is really sticky. Alright, so let's get frying. I'm going to test my oil to see if it's ready. I'm using a wooden skewer. So if you see bubbles at the bottom of this stick, then you will know that it's ready. So if you see the bubbles, right? You can also use the back of a wooden spoon. I'm just using a skewer, any sort of wooden thing, right? So next, what you want to do is dip your fingers in some water like this. Grab a little bit of, well, like a handful of your pholourie batter, and you want to just squeeze it through the palms of your hands like this, and then just drop it. So, and then you just want to move it around your hands just to get it back to the top here. And then squeeze it with your fingers like this, move it all the way up here, and then just let it drop, just like that. Simple, easy breezy. So I just did 2 because I just want to test it out first, and once these 2 come out really good, then I'll start filling my pot a little bit more. And of course, don't overcrowd your pot, because then it will just be absorbing a lot of oil and taking longer to cook. So these are just my 2 little trial pholourie, and now I'm going to do the real pholourie, right? The real set. So again, grab a handful of your batter and squeeze it through this part of your hands like this. Take your time, don't make it splash everywhere. Right. Again, don't overcrowd your pot. Okay, I think this is really good. So again, it goes into this, right? Like that. Right. Full on oil.